Here's a little video of how we make our finger pull handle details on our wardrobes. The first step for us is to mark our centre lines of the drawers. We've got to take them all the way around. Now they're all marked up. So this is the first jig that I'm using. This one I use the 1/2 inch Makita router to do the finger pull. This is working from the front edge, and because the base on the Makita is a round base, I'm able just to use that as the guide around this template. I was just going to walk around with the camera now and just show you. So the stops on the front of the jig are just on the workpiece, and I always double check that they're lined up. And the centre line of the jig and the centre line of the workpiece and the top of our jig, or the place where the handle wants to go, all line up as well. Start of each cut, just a little care and attention of where you're about to plunge. So I use the centre line that's marked up roughly in the middle of my router base, and I'll plunge there, and then I'll start. So that's the jig done, and there's the first part of the stage. So that is the backing plate machined. I'll just take this apart. Again, simple jig. And there's the backing plate machined. A little sample bit of oak. Show you. Simple as that. There you go, 9 drawer fronts. That's probably took us 2 hours, and we've still got the 5 doors left to do. So to make these simple finger pull detail handles with an oak backplate, we're using a couple of tools. Using a 1/2 inch Makita router with a 1/2 inch finger pull draw pull cutter. I've got this one from Wielden Tools. It's new and it's clean, it leaves a really good finish. And for the back plate, I'm using a template trim, again a cutter from Wielden Tools, top bearing cutter in a 1/4 inch DeWalt router. Simple.